Hi, everyone. My name is Ashu, and I'm very excited to welcome you to this No Problema demo. Thank you so much for joining this morning. And we got only 20 minutes. So, to keep up with the time, let's get going. Just a quick word about Alhena. We are a shopping concierge company for brands. And before I show you the actual demo, here is a quick agenda for today. Beyond the introduction, we'll be looking at like what is shopping AI and what do we mean by agentic commerce. It's a new term, so people are speaking different things when it comes to agentic commerce. So we will just reveal what do we mean by agentic commerce, and this will help you anchor well for the some of the agents that we are going to demo today, which will be a conversational search demo, of skin analyzer agent, and virtual try on, besides others as well. So, um, keeping going, this is a little bit about me. I'm the CEO and the co-founder here at Alhena. Before Alhena, I was running top of the funnel growth at LinkedIn. And before LinkedIn, I was running another AI company as a co-founder and CTO, which was an AI-powered health. That is way before AI was cool. Um, so yeah, now we are moving into the shopping AI and the agentic commerce. So all the agentic commerce that we have at Alhena is built on this core agentic platform, which is what you see here. It's Alhena's agentic platform. There are some standard things about our platform. One of them is it's hallucination free. So we have a separate agent that looks at each of the responses created by the AI and make sure they are hallucination free. It aligns with your brand. It speaks your brand all the time. And no matter if whether you are a gaming company or you have a funny brand, you have a serious brand, you are a fintech company. In retail, you can have your different, like, for example, Tacha, one of our customers, they are a Japanese inspired skincare brand. And so they have to have that kind of tone and voice. The AI is able to cater to that. And then the third point is it just unifies everything about your brand. It has the unified knowledge base, so it learns from your product catalog. It knows more about your product catalog than anyone else in the company. It knows all the help center articles, any other documentation you throw at it. It looks at your YouTube videos. So it has the most complete understanding and knowledge of across your entire brand and portfolio of products. So that allows us to build and show the products to your users in different form factors. And the form factors that we have are, of course, the shopping assistant that we'll be talking about today. Besides shopping assistant, we can, using the same platform, we can spin it up as a social commerce, as a review manager. So, for example, in social commerce, if you are on Instagram, people are responding to your comments, people are responding to your post as comments. The AI can go and reply to those comments and engage with your users. If they DM you for their queries on Instagram, or WhatsApp or Meta, the AI can go and respond over there. If you people are leaving you reviews on, let's say, Trustpilot or Yotpo, the AI can go and respond to those reviews appropriately. So if it's a 5-star review, it can thank them. If it's a 1-star review, it can gather more information. Also, you will have the ability to change guidelines and control how the AI responds. And of course, the final is the support concierge. And just so you know, we provide all of this across omnichannel. So text, email, voice, no matter where your users are, the Alhena platform can respond to them. So let's dive into the shopping assistant. It's one of our flagship products. We drive above 300% conversion, more than 30% AOV lift. So the interesting thing is the AOV lift. Of course, the conversion is great. Meaning, what do we mean by 300% or 400% when we say this? We mean that when customers start engaging with the AI, they buy at 4x or 3x higher rate than they would have otherwise if the AI was not there. So that's massive. But not just that, we have seen that when the AI is there, people just buy more stuff. And so their cart sizes are bigger by 30% on an average. And then we do all of this with a 90% plus satisfaction rate. And this is variable depending on the company. So let's say if your average satisfaction CSAT score is 70, then of course the AI won't be able to do 90 plus. But if it's around 88, 85, the AI will be above that. And so we are pretty good in keeping up. Actually, it's at par with humans or even slightly better. So and with that, let's go into the agents, and we will see some of those agents. How does that work? And so I'll stop sharing and then reshare my screen. Give me a second. Share my screen again. So here, what we are going to do is give you a sense of different agents that we have. So first, we will talk about the skincare and routine builder agent. So this is one of our customers, Paula Choice, using Alhena for as a skincare builder, routine builder, skincare analyzer as well. And so we can start asking questions. So let's say I'm looking for a skincare routine. So what it's going to there is going to ask me some questions like a true sales associate. What are my skin concerns? It's also asking me if I want to upload a well-lit selfie. That will be helpful. So I'm going to do both. I'm going to upload a selfie here. Let's see. Yeah, shopping commerce. I have a selfie for skin analysis. Okay. It says my skin analysis selfie is higher, so I need to fix this. So let me just give me a second. Let me. Yeah, I have this here. I just want to see PNG image. Oh, I have this HEIC MG4501 Let's see. IMG underscore 501 this Mac is here. I'm uploading this image, and I'll also tell I have a dry skin with some wrinkles. Although it should be able to identify it on because I'm uploading the image itself. So let's see. So now it's analyzing my skin. It can take up to 30 seconds to analyze. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. So okay, so now it's starting to bring up some of the concerns that we have. So as you can see, it says wrinkles, fine lines around eyes, eye bags, dark circle, textures and pores, little bit hyperpigmentation, little bit small dark spots, uneven tone, and it's giving key concerns to address. So it is a detailed summary of my skin, but then there is also key concerns to address: wrinkles and fine lines, dryness and hydration. And now it's saying, would I like product recommendations or complete routine? What I'm going to do is going to ask for a complete routine. So depending on your product catalog, this is going to, in this case, it's going over Paula Joyce's catalogs and coming up with a complete routine. So you can see we have cleanser, toner, exfoliant, temperature serum, eye cream, moisturizer. It's very detailed. A moisturizer with SPF, moisturizer, AM and PM differentiator. It's giving me routine tips. It's all of that. And so that's what I meant by the routine builder agent. So what I showed you here was two different kinds of agents. One is what we have with the skin analysis, and then the routine builder. And so these are examples of like vertical agents that work with a larger agent that we have as part of our overall ecosystem. So now next I'm going to show you the conversational search agent, and inbuilt in that we will be showing the virtual agent. So the conversational search agent is actually different from the way we have the usual search. So if I search for usual like sneakers, it will give me something right here like this, but it doesn't take intent sneakers for California. I don't think it's gonna change much. I mean, it's the same, but let's go and see the AI demo that where we are going to ask. So it will change if we ask it. I'm going to use an apparel company for that. So let's say I'm searching wedding dress for a London wedding. And what it's doing is it's trying to find me the best wedding dress. It's found 24 dresses. And now it's going to narrow down by asking me certain questions. It says like what color? And I can say white. It will find me some of the white dresses. Yes. And so the white dresses, the ones that are completely white, it's marking them as best match. The others actually, and I can say, I like the Isabella. I like the Isabella in Rose. So now it'll show me more like that. Yeah, so this is the best match. Can I? Yeah, no, this is fine. This is perfect. Has a round. The first one has a round like nice this style. Yes, yes. Can I try it virtually? And now I'm going to show you a virtual try on demo. Can I try it virtually? So it's asking me to please upload a full body photo here, and I'm going to upload it. Here is my image. So it's going to analyze the image, and then it's going to superimpose that dress on this and show me how would I look if I were to try this. It takes some time because it's a heavy processing. Yeah. So now this has come up with is the virtual try-on of the Isabella gown in Roche. You can wear this beautifully. So this is how it look like. So you can try other dresses too if you want, but I'm not going to. In the interest of time, I'm not going to do that, and I am going to stop the demo portion and maybe take one or two questions from the audience here before we wrap up the conversation. But I really, really appreciate the questions and your presence over here. Um, let's pull back. What's okay? Yeah. So the question is, how do you separate ROI that's directly driven by AI interventions like guided nudges or voice assistants from organic conversions that would have happened on their own? Yeah. And so that's a great question. The way we separate it is with we have analytics built in. And we understand what's coming from where. And so we are tracking everything, and we show you it in a very nice dashboard as well. And so if you set up a demo with us, we can go into the details of like how does that analytics look like. But yes, we track them, and we know that for our customers, nudges are a good source of engagement. With that, I'm going to wrap up this demo. I really appreciate all of you joining me. Don't forget to join us for the next demo, which is going to be on the topic of agentic commerce. And that will be a more detailed practical demo of how do you get your brand and your tech stack ready for the agentic commerce that is being propagated by ChatGPT, Stripe, and Shopify together. So at Alhena, we have a package solution to this where you can get onboarded to agentic commerce very easily with our white glove service, and we will go into the details of what it takes to be ready for the agentic commerce. Thanks so much for joining, everyone. I'm really excited for the next one too. Thanks again. Bye.